Hey guys, welcome back. We have a frozen deep gray metallic G99 M5 Touring, and we'll be walking you through the process of installing these newly released Megachip carbon splash guards. Since we're already modifying this car with Eventuri intakes, IND painted rondelles and reflectors, Eisenman rear exhaust, we're also doing the Megachip splash guards, which will be a separate video, but for this one, we're walking you through the process of how to install these splash guards. It's a pretty simple one. The only tools that you're gonna need are an 8mm on a tool of your choice, and you'll also need a rivet tool, and if you don't have one, we include an inexpensive option as an add-on that comes with a bunch of extra rivets. And for the splash guards themselves, they include a punch for the factory rivets to remove, as well as 6 rivets that you'll be installing after you take out the factory ones. The front and rear do offer slight adjustability, make them tuck in more, or you can have them stick out more, which would be beneficial because no one wants to repaint a frozen color. With everything laid out and the car ready, let's get to it.
Getting started on our passenger front. Notice that we are up on a lift, completely unnecessary, but it helps us with filming. We'll get started. We'll turn our wheel to the right so we can give us access to the back of the fender, and then we'll take our supplied punch and a hammer and go ahead and knock out the center of these rivets. Next, we'll go ahead and use our trim tool. Comes with our add-on rivet tool. Go ahead and pop it out. Before we install, I want to make note of this double-sided tape here. We're going to go ahead and peel that once we get our adjustment figured out on our splash guard. So we'll go ahead and slide in between the liner and the fender here. Next, we'll go ahead and install our plastic rivets. These are more of a push-in style fastener. We can go ahead and install it. We do have a little bit of adjustability, so we can go ahead and set our offset how we like it. Now that we have our adjustment set, we'll know exactly where our 3M tape will sit. So we will go ahead and prep our side skirt with some rubbing alcohol, followed by some primer, which are both supplied, and then go ahead and peel your double-sided tape on the back side and apply pressure to make it adhere to the side skirt. And then you can go back, take a hammer, and tap the center in. And you're all set. Now that we're set with this one, let's move on to the rear. Moving to the rear, our process is even quicker. We have 2 8mm bolts to take out. And we can just go ahead and hold this in place and get our 8 started. With the bottom one started, we'll go ahead and start the top. So go ahead and set your offset as you prefer. Now that we're all set on the passenger side, we'll go ahead and repeat the process on the driver's. Before I fully tighten this down, here's a little bit closer perspective of the adjustability of these guards. Before I fully seat these push pins, I'll go ahead and show you adjustability on this liner as well.
And that's it for this install. Like I said, pretty simple. If there's anything else you want to see, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.